New for this year is the Grab and Go Challenge.
Go.
Competitors must deliver a hot savoury dish using a bread or dough-based carrier along with an allergy-free dessert. They have just 45 minutes to cook and serve their dishes. Taking place in front of a live audience, the pressure is on. As ever, the judges are keeping a close eye on proceedings.
We're looking for sort of originality, flavours.
The containers they're using, correct seasoning, which is always a big key element.
I think it went all right. Happy it's all done with. I enjoyed the experience, first time here.
I feel good, yeah.
Yeah, it was good, good.
I hope they'll enjoy it, but you never know.
Everybody seems really competitive, so yeah, see how we do.
To pick a winner is very, very difficult. Somebody's just got to stand out.
It's been a fast-paced and furious competition, but there can only be one winner.
And the gold award goes to Kim Barnish from Keele University.
I did the best I could, and just everyone did such amazing jobs, and amazed.